Good afternoon everybody in the GCC group. It's really nice to see you all again. It's Grant here from Harvey Bowes Financial Services, and we've got our May mortgage update video for you. So I hope that life is treating you well and you're enjoying some of the summer over in the Middle East. We've finally got a little bit of sun here, which makes a big difference. So everybody is in very good spirits, even though we know the sun isn't going to last too long here in the UK, certainly in Wales anyway. A couple of updates to bring you this month for some really good lending that you've got some opportunities to utilise here in the UK from over there in the Middle East. Now the first is a brand new lender called the Family Building Society. Now this is one of the lenders that we're working with to try and understand more about how their products work, and it's worth talking to them to see how they can benefit you with your property investing in the UK. Now, you can borrow up to 70% loan to value with these guys, and the rates are starting at around 5.99%. Like with everything, depending on what you're looking to do, those rates can increase. The fixed rate period can increase as well, but 2 and 5 year fixed rate products, which is really beneficial from 5.99. Now, you've got 70% loan to value again. It's well worth considering that, because it may well be that you've got a slightly larger deposit, but that can work really nicely. One of the other key benefits here is that they do have much lower fees. So depending on the product, it will either be just under £2,000 as a fee or 1%. So that's really big. Most lenders now work to about 2% upwards. Some lenders in the UK up to 7% on their fees. So to only have a 1% fee is a real bonus. Now the other lender is Vida Home Loans. The reason I mention these in this update is because they will lend to first-time landlords, and they don't have any minimum income requirement either. There is a minimum loan size of 100 grand, but if you own a property already and you're looking for your first investment, then this is a great lender that you can work with. Rates here starting from around the sort of mid fives upwards, again depending on the type of property and depending on the 2 or 5 year fixed rate benefit you want to go for. They do also have some tracker products utilised as well. Now the final lender that I think are really good for working with those that are based abroad is Skipton International. Now Skipton have currently got rates starting from 5.39%. Now there is a caveat to that. The property has to be worth at least $500,000. Well, the loan has to be at least $500,000. If you're looking at a loan of around 100 grand upwards, then your rate is going to increase a little to 5.99. But they've got a very good quirk, in as much as they utilise the product fee as your packaging fee. So you would pay £1,999 for a standard buy-to-let product, but that will come after the underwriting. So once the underwriting has taken place and they know that they're happy with with lending to you and that you're happy to borrow with them, they will charge you the products fee at that stage, and then that will include your valuation cost. So technically you don't have a valuation cost to pay. The bonus of that then means that you don't have that product fee attached to your loan, so you're only paying interest on the money that you're borrowing that way. But a really good lender, very easy to work with, and will work with clients from all over the world. They have recently also opened up lending to limited companies as well. Big change for them, but a really big part of their growth as a lender. So I hope that's given you a couple of things to mull over for this month. Please remember that if you need to get in touch with us, you can message us directly on Facebook, or you can find us on harveybowes.com. You can email us directly or give us a phone call as well. So enjoy the rest of your week and your weekend. Enjoy your May, and I'll see you all next month. Take care.